Okay, so we'll see if this one's working, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's close all this stuff. Cool, 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 cool. Just got invited to a meeting. Now let's check on YouTube and see if this is playing. Should be. Should be, but I'm not. Okay, I am live. Perfect. The chat isn't working as I'd expect. Oh, I have to reset the chat. 1 second. Should be, but I'm not. Okay, I am live. Perfect. Okay, never mind. The chat isn't working as I'd expect. Oh, I have to reset the chat. So we could have something where the terminal's always showing. Let's make it a bit smaller. Oh wait, it's on a new tab too. There we go. So no matter what, you can see that. There, now you should be able to see the terminal even though my screen's full screen. Sorry, I'm used to having 2 screens, and I'll probably get another screen here eventually, but there we go. So no matter what, you can see that. And you can't see, there, now you should be able to see the terminal. Perfect. Even though my screen's full screen. Let's move it over a bit more. So I'm used to having 2 screens, and I'll probably get another screen here eventually. Interesting. And you can't see, perfect. Okay, there we go. So now I guess if I was, sorry for the extra noise and everything. Let me turn off my audio on my phone. So I'm probably gonna bring my charger in here, my Pixel stand in here, so it'll be easier for me to see the chat while I'm streaming. And, excuse me. And I'm probably gonna start doing my, oh my gosh, start doing my streams in here in general. For like, not coffee with Chloe in the morning, but I guess it's the same thing. The idea is to start doing my research streams here, so I don't know why it's giving me streamer mode. Disable. Okay, so let's show the full thing. I wonder what it looks like on my screen. Sorry. Okay, looking pretty good in the marmaj Discord server. We have the marmaj Research DAO section. And in this section, we kind of have a bunch of interesting things. We have the Hacker Lab, which is kind of where I brain dump a lot of info. Not generally useful for everyone, but it is pretty useful for me. I am going to switch. I've realized what I can just do this. Ha ha ha. So let's move this over here. Because we don't care about just like that anyway, the chat. And then now people won't be able to see where I'm going in the Discord as easily. But I mean, it's all good, right? Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, so now, for example, there was a paper I found this morning by Tarun Chitra. I actually saw him speak, well, didn't really speak, he was on a panel at Masari Mainnet conference last year. In my opinion, I think he's very smart, very intelligent, and has some great papers. This one specifically is about, I'm not even logged in on this, whatever, it doesn't matter. This one specifically is talking about, sharing MEV revenue between particular block producers and the rest of the network, potentially the rest of the staked network. So I think this is a pretty cool idea in general. Obviously, in my opinion, it's a pretty generic idea. I mean, in proof of stake, the idea that you could have public good validators, or you could have all of this, and you can just decide to have MEV and extract value and send it to whatever validators you want to. And is it safe? Is it positive? Maybe it is. Here's the paper. And so, I used to do a bit of this on this channel, just kind of, reading papers, going through things, and I definitely want to get back to that. I think for me, actually, one of the things I like most in a lot of this stuff is just reading the papers, just going through and learning. So kind of what's the idea here? So MEV, right? Maximal, they're defining as maximal extractable value. Excuse me. Has been generally viewed as a negative, parasitic aspect of economic transactions on blockchains that increases cost for non-strategic users. That's actually a good point. Most people would say that's the downside of MEV. So recent work has shown that MEV is not always bad for social welfare in crypto networks. In this note, we demonstrate that if rational validators in proof of stake protocols are able to earn a portion of MEV revenue by a process we call MEV redistribution, they are disincentivized to unstake and lower economic security. So in the near ecosystem, I would equate this as, if you stake on your own, you earn around 10% per year, right? So we can actually dig into some of this stuff. So we can actually look at metapool.app. Oops. Probably the simplest way to look at it. If you stake by yourself, you're probably going to earn around 10.4% per year. If you stake with Metapool, it's exactly 10.4% per year, and they're going to stake with 97 validators for you. But you could imagine that what if the Metapool validators participated in some sort of MEV redistribution, and these 74 validators were saying, if you stake with us, we are going to actively participate in MEV, and instead of keeping it all for one of us, we're going to socialize those earnings. So basically that's what we're talking about. We're talking about socializing earnings so that everyone's earning 13% instead of one person earning 15%, and then they will either continue to get all the near tokens to their own validator, or people would just withdraw from this. They don't want to get 10%, and they're either going to deposit to the validator that's getting the 15%, or they're going to get involved in DeFi instead or do something else, which would lower economic security. If people unstake and do anything else, it lowers economic security. So how do you keep people staking and make sure they can all get a more socialized MEV revenue in the same process? So we construct a joint staking lending dynamical system in which a fraction of MEV revenue is used to increase staking returns. So instead of, all MEV being used to increase staking, only some of it is. And then we formally show that this MEV redistribution can avoid bad competitive equilibria between staking and lending, in which no users stake under benign conditions on the reward inflation schedule of the protocol, and conduct numerical situations that demonstrate this. This represents another potentially positive externality of MEV, provided that the mechanism for redistribution is well designed. So awesome abstract in my opinion, and I think these are the kind of this key point here. So yeah, this could be awesome. There's many potential benefits of, I call it socializing, but redistributing MEV rewards. But the idea is provided that the mechanism for redistribution is well designed. So is it safe? Was kind of like, is it safe was the first question. So I think the key idea here of this paper is, yes, it's possible, obviously. How do you do it safely? How do you do it where rationally, economically rational actors are not winning out all the time, but also people that are trying to win out on the system for other benefits are also able to win. So I'm not going to read through the whole paper right now, but Google Chrome allows me to do some pretty cool stuff. Let's see if this allows me to. Let's see. Tools. No. Maybe I'll download Google Chrome real quick just so I can show like how I do it. So Ubuntu. Let's see if does Ubuntu have Chrome in here? It should have like a basic Chrome version. Maybe not like the most up to date or whatever, but ah man, I gotta actually go install Chrome. Okay, cool. Linux. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nage. It should have already started automatically. Files. Download should be here. Yeah. Having a UI for my Linux distribution is quite nice. Not gonna lie. I've gotten, well, I wouldn't say it's nice. I've gotten used to it. I used to never use. Oh, cool. There was a little thing. Okay. I probably spelled that wrong, eh? Yeah. Did I spell it wrong again? No. So yeah, I mean, I can move the code thing. I'm not going to be doing any coding today anyway, probably. But I kind of just wanted to actually, how I would actually have it would probably be more of a, like that. It doesn't let you just do a corner of the screen anymore, eh? Why is, what? That is so funky monkey. There we go. And now, what does that look like? Oh, that's so weird. Because this is still there. So regardless of where it is in the real screen, I can still show it wherever I want. So even if... Okay, I'm starting to understand OBS a little better now. Thank you. So I should size this to be a small size that I like. Okay, and then it doesn't matter where I put it, but I will keep it on the left side. And then for all you viewers at home, I will also keep it on the left side. Because even if I minimize it, it'll stay on the left side, and you guys can see what's going on. Which is cool, I guess. Interesting. Sorry. I'm trying to get used to this whole thing. Seems like I can go a bit bigger. On this side, at least. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so the terminal should stay in the top left. I don't have a second screen, so I can't have fun with that. But just in case I do have stuff like building at the same time, like for example, I have this going, right? So it is showing me stuff that's happening while I'm streaming in the terminal. So back to what I was doing. Sorry about that. I'm downloading Google Chrome. How do you open old Firefox data? Okay. I wonder if I can just... I always make it so hard to just like... No, man, I already downloaded you. I just want to open you. Oh, no. Chroma. I don't chroma. Okay, like, I'm legit have no... Let's see. Did I just... Where are you? No. All. There you are. You were right there the whole time. Don't make it default. Don't send... Okay, yeah, don't do any of that. Add to favorites. Okay. Because one of the things I did want to do was... What's it called? Sender... Yeah, so these live streams are just purely me doing things. So I'm going to do Marmaj research stuff live streamed on this computer. On the laptop, I'm going to do more like Coffee with Chloe stuff probably, more like topical things. This is definitely going to be more of just me researching. I don't expect anyone to watch. I don't expect anyone to edit this stuff. This is just, streaming and having fun. No camera either. Hopefully we'll get Marmaj Chan in the corner soon. Download. Love Sender Wallet so far. I've tried the Android APK. Not as good. You don't have dark mode, some other features, but being able to save addresses is pretty awesome. Brave, Edge. Okay, no, there is other stuff too. Boom, boom. Chrome. Actually, I think I should be able to sync. Which account did I add this to? Let's see if this works. That's not correct. Okay. Okay, continue. Sync, please. Pink and sexy. Sender wallet's already there, so you don't have to do what I just did, and you don't have to download it if you already have it. Awesome. I love Chrome for this. I'm sorry, but it's actually quite nice. Metapool, MEV redistribution. That's all awesome. But yeah, I'm actually probably not going to use Firefox, at least not for streaming stuff. I don't want to log into Twitter. I don't want to do any of this stuff. So let's minimize this for now. Let's make this a little bigger. And now we have Sender. I don't think we're logged into any apps here. So should we create a wallet? Should we import a wallet? Should we run my ledger out here? What should we do if we're doing research? Well, if we're doing research, we should probably stay on testnet. So there's Sender. Oh, you have to import your wallet first, make a password first. So let's make it something random and fun. Oh yeah, just like MetaMask, each browser, I guess, has its own password. So I'll pick this one. There we go. What? There we go. I agree to your terms of service. I didn't read them, I'll admit. Input method. I have a private key. Oh, cool. You can do it from a private key. And then I can come here and I can just be like, Sender wallet, you're so cool. I'm sorry, this is so cool. Okay, so I'm just going to be like, near, and then near, okay, you know what? I'm going to do it the old fashioned. Near, ENV, testnet. I'm bad at, like, memorizing, you know? My brain doesn't like memorizing anything. It's just not for me. There you go. So let's just say we're going to stay on testnet for now. Okay. Testnet. And now I can do near create 819 819 dash. I'm not sure if this will work, but no. Near generate key. Haha. Near, it's right there. Like it's literally written. Or near create account. Let's do that instead. Near create account, argument, account ID. I don't think I have to say master account. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't want to do master account. Initial balance. I don't want to set nothing. Sorry, so my bad. Let's do it again. Ha ha ha. Okay. Near create account. And what did I say? marmaj819.testnet. Maybe I just have to say this. Command not found. Near. Oh, is there no space between? Missing required. Oh. Who's paying for it? I guess. I don't know who's logged in. Shoot. Let's open a new tab. So near keys. Oh no. Near login. I'm not sure who's logged in. Let's just check. Oh, it's doing shardnet even though it shouldn't. Okay. I thought we just did. Okay. No, we didn't. New tab didn't remember. So near. Where are you? Why am I doing this to myself instead of just? Nope, not doing it. So let's go here again to the new tab. Testnet, and then near login. And here we go. We're at testnet. We don't have any accounts here, sadly, so we're going to create one. And I guess we'll do it this way instead. marmaj819.testnet. Reserve my account ID, secure passphrase, a bunch of random stuff, copy, continue, word 9. I can't even remember what word 9 was. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we're going to copy that. Whoops. Went to Firefox. We're going to paste. Verify. Okay, so now we have this account. So now, when we go here, we should be able to say master account is 819, nope, marmaj-819.testnet. Oops. Okay, so next, full access. Okay. So now we're logged in on our local machine. So our local machine is logged into marmaj-819.testnet. And now you got to tell it what to create. So we're going to say, okay, can you please create, so Chloe the researcher.testnet. Okay, let's see if this works. I'm not sure I have to do, I don't think I have to do this. So you're near create account, Chloe the researcher.testnet from the master account, marmaj.testnet, and we're not giving it a specific balance, but I assume that we'd be able to say initial balance some amount, but I mean, I don't think we need to do that for testnet. Regardless, I might just also work on testnet. So let's see. Nope. Did not like it. New account doesn't show the same top level account, expecting account name to end in. Oh, it's trying to create an account on the other account. Okay, let's try something fun then. Since I've never done this before, and this isn't what I was expecting to do right now, but so amory dot marmaj dash 819 dot testnet, saving the keys. Awesome. So account amory.marmaj-819 testnet for network testnet was created. So now I have the keys here. Now all I have to do is cd dot near. No, not Mozilla. Wait, where do they put the keys? Oh gosh, okay. Near keys. Where are the keys? I always forget. In near credentials. Okay, so wait. Near. Okay. Okay. I don't know why I couldn't find that before. CD testnet. And then we have two accounts, the Amory one and the marmaj one. I guess I'm just going to stop sharing my screen for a second so I can copy and paste this key without you guys seeing it. So the simplest way for me to do that is just stop sharing that and stop sharing that. Sorry, but I need to get the private key and put it into sender wallet. So input your account with private key, which means I need to come here, I need to find the private key, I need to copy it, I need to paste it, I need to continue. So cool. Okay, so I'm going to start showing my screen again. And I'm going to CD, oops. So basically, I think this is super cool. No one else has to think this is cool. The problem with the server. Oh gosh. But yeah, now it shows that I have 100 near. They dropped it from 200 near. But this is amory.marmaj-819.testnet. I feel like I need to go tweet at sender wallet right now because that was so easy and so fun and so cool. Oh my gosh, can you just, no, not as, oh my gosh, no, what are you doing? Stop it. Oh, it's trying to sync with Chloe at marmaj. No, don't do it. Oh gosh, Twitter, you're terrible. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe Twitter isn't the way this is going to happen. Yeah, sign in with a different account, man. It's like only wants different account. Yeah, there we go. And this should be saved too. Ah, man. Okay, what's my password? Let's see. There we go. Ugh. 6L. Where is my phone? My phone's right in front of me. Yeah, that's me. 2FA. Continue a new profile? Nah, guy. I don't need all that right now. So, ooh, gosh, my head. Dark mode. Okay. Settings. No, display was right there. More. Display. Lights out. Okay, cool. Because Soph was asking about this. Super cool. So, I mean, I'm not sure, like, most people even know what I'm talking about, but, you know, near blocks.io. It was going really slow last time, but let's go. Wait. Where's the simple. Oh, sorry. Testnet. Oh yeah, it has a little aggregator thing. It's trying to do it for me, right? I don't know why. Oh gosh, well. No results. Try on mainnet. Amory dot. Am I doing it wrong? Like. Search by account. Marmaj -819 -8. Is it working? Let's just see this. What comes up? No results. I think it's just slow. So. Interesting. Addresses. I think it's just really slow. Out of sync. Yeah. Okay. Is this it? Oh, what is it? Testnet. Okay, there we are. What? What just happened? Why did my screen just refresh? I feel like I'm gonna go back in my screen just so I could read what the tweet said before my screen decided to refresh it. Let's see. Oh no, okay. I had it like a split second beforehand. I don't feel like redoing this, so. Oh, it's right here. Okay. This is why I stream things. So, super easy to create sub accounts and log in with private key. Sender wallet. CC. Soph. so I guess I'm still live. Sorry, I'm like doing 100 things. But my main thing now was I also wanted to share like generate key. No, we're talking about near create account, and so we want to click this little button. Copy link address to that actual spot. Oops. And so it's like create sub account, and then okay, so create sub account example, and then sender makes it easy to log in, right? So the idea here was that if I go to like test net.ref.finance, oh my gosh, I cannot spell. Oh my gosh, thank you. Google saving me. And I hit connect to near. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so sender, I hit connect, and now Amory is logged in to sender. Perfect. And now I can kind of make my swaps and have my fun. So let's say I want to buy some ref, 8.19, right? Let's make this screen a bit bigger. I can swap right here, allow, and it all happens right in one screen without me having to go back and forth and change things, which is my favorite part of Sender. Okay, so once this ref UI is able to refresh, I am good to go. It might take a while. It's still signing it, for example, but it's doing its best. I'm going to open it a bit because... minimize. Oh no, that's not how I wanted to minimize it. You little butt. Nope, nope, nope. Not how I wanted to minimize that. I wanted to... whatever. So now I have a bit less near. Now we have a bit of ref. Maybe we want to enter the farm. For example, maybe we want to enter the ref near farm. That's like the main farm with voting. And so we want to get LP tokens first, right? We're going to add liquidity. It's saying we have no ref, which, you know, that's something. Let's see. The swap must have got stop at W near. Yeah, interesting. Is it trying to make the swap? No. So interesting. The swap got stuck at W near from trying to go near to ref. It seemed like it couldn't do both swaps at once for some reason. Very interesting bug. I wonder if it's like this for all the tokens or just for near. But we'll try again. So let's try swapping maybe a simple ledger swap. And let's try swapping 8.19 again and see what happens. So we can always swap back from W near to near. It's no big deal. So for example, we can come here. But maybe the issue was we minimized this signed and signed transaction. But we'll see. Let's see if this one worked. Yes, so this time it worked. So it seems like the first time was a little bit of a bug. Maybe there was too much slippage or whatever else. So let's put this back to from wrapped near back to near. And then when we're going to add liquidity, we should be able to then, let's see, add some ref and add some near. Allow. See, ref fakes.testnet, so it's not a real ref transaction, or not real ref token. And then we will be able to enter the farm. So once it's done, it might take some time. All right. So right now it's saying, oh, an error. You still have tokens in your account. Don't worry. It's just taking time in the background on the blockchain, okay? See, look, now we have 12 shares to stake. We stake, max, stake them, open sender. To me, opening sender is obviously much faster than opening a new web browser. No matter what you do, opening a new web browser takes at least half a second to a second and a half. Where opening up an extension that you have downloaded takes less than that. So extensions always make more sense, but other security issues to worry about there as well. But more secure than a web browser in many instances. Okay, so we've deposited. We can claim some rewards already. We go back to our farms. We'll see that if we do claim this reward, I don't know why it costs gas to do that, but we'll see it here in the drop down, which is pretty cool. Okay, so the next big step here is to start thinking about the voting. Okay, so there's going to be voting to see which tokens should get more rewards. So last round, for example, you could see that there was HBTC voting and Stater and USDC sauce pool. Ref allocation, how many qualified pools, how many people voted, how much the total votes are allowed, what's the percent of people voting, and this is for August. Okay. So the proportion for ref used for voting allocation. So they're saying that 10% is going to be used for community voting. It's pretty cool. So you can go to governance. You could see that people have added bonus to pools, and people are going, should this happen? Should that happen? Yada yada yada. So we're going to be very involved in governance very soon. So you can lock your LP tokens. So it's saying you have 12 tokens in the farm. Okay, so awesome, thanks. So I'd have to actually take them out of the farm, so you cannot earn rewards, right? You take them out of the farm. And once they're out of the farm, that would allow you to lock up your tokens for a certain amount of time. So let's hit, well, we can refresh the page again. You'll see it kind of, there you go. You have 12 tokens to lock. Hit lock tokens. And then you can choose how long. Do you want to lock for one? Oh, hit max first. Let's hit one. Okay. Keep it really simple. Okay. If you want to lock up one token for a month, okay, understand that you cannot move any of your tokens for the agreed upon lock time. Okay. So if you lock for 1 month, you get 1.8x. You lock for 3 months, you get 1.25x. So as you can see, 8 times 3 is 24. You get a little bit of a boost for doing 3 months. So you'd assume 6 months would be at least 1.5 or higher. It is exactly 1.5, which to me makes no sense. But hey, let's just act like this makes sense to us. So for example, why would you... Sorry, there's a truck going by. But if it's the exact same amount to lock up for 3 months and 6 months, then obviously people are going to lock up for 3 months and then wait and then lock up again in 3 months. There's no incentive to lock up for 6 months. Same with 12 months. If you're assuming that you're at 1.5x, you'd assume 2x. So yes, you're 2x. But in my opinion, there seems to be a tiny little bonus from going from 1 month to 3 months. Oh, I have a meeting in half an hour, I think. Let's see. What did that thing just say? I don't even read that notifications bar that comes up. Let's see. Oh, it's at 12. So I'm late for my meeting. So I will hop off this call. Thank you, everyone.